Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting a Google account from Android devices. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app and scroll down to and tap on Accounts and Backup. Tap Manage Accounts. Find and tap on the Google account that you would like to delete. Then tap Remove Account. Tap Remove Account again on the pop-up. That Google account will be removed from your Android device. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.